And them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Feel look like a browning, them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Feel look like a browning, girl me honor you, and you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, feel look like no browning, girl me honor you, and you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, feel look like a browning. 90% of the girl them join the system. Every girl nowadays them want brown.
Yeah, welcome to the first season of Keeping Up with the Bleachers with me, look good, stay good, Aki face, Korean toothpaste mix up in a one, Monica. I know me not talk to Monica at the end of the song with Brandy, coming us a black. Look at me, me's a brown girl. Don't matter pretty like a black mark in my face. Anyway, let's get to season 1.
So everybody there, okay, come here, reach your first. So since I come on TV, my life is a hot like police in a shoot out. Magazine, photo shoot, I got judged by bleaching stars and a whole heap of other things so I can't mention. All I'm going to touch on my bleach up. Before I forget, I have a new show premiere next month, Creative Bleaching. Someone all of the bleacher come check it out. Mother, grandmother, baby father, everybody. As them say, the family will bleach together, reach together.
Annette, near True Falls.
True.
Hey. Yeah, people, Shaminium, good body, Annette. And from the Anglez thing take off, it's like people just recognize me from everywhere me there. But now like I say me there at crossroad and people are spot me gap off a tree. See that? Yeah. Yeah, so life good, you know, life good because I can finally get to pay off my buy a clear loan. I'm there off about 3 years now. Yeah, 3 years now, me I owe the loan. Come on, I want to get have none come and hype over me. Last time I own a t-shirt line, it named True Falls, and if you want any information, you can just call THRUU@gmail.com. So for all of the people it's through@gmail.com. And I can't do this without big old Downsound record because them spot the talent and them start give me a little album deal. I have a new song I drop and Don Carly and ready me name True Falls. I'm going to just give a little piece of the song now. Bobbette, come in. I'm going to say True Falls. You just drum me and say something with me. I don't really remember how the rhythm go, but something like this. I saw if I stop run through our falls.
Through.
Alright, yeah. Portia here need for change. Through our falls, me say.
Through.
Alright. We for stop beach, me say Through our falls.
Through.
No, I'm going to find out with you now.
Come in.
Nobody not there.
Where you go? You look how long me and Annette there.
Yes, so you know, so from one day, no man named Diane Jackson give me TV debut. Because my time to work does turn up. I just one day Portia called me and tell me she want to roll and 2 big black on the side because she tired of the band. What do you mean I go up on Facebook and find a rich man and him a man and can't grind me? You know, say one day I open up my bleaching firm name and bust on the pan. See that? So basically for people who want to know about how for bleach and bust up is it. So I tell them say them use the ear cream, but them not put no peroxide in it. And if them use the volume 40, them not put no nipple zone gel in it. So this week me there can guess and tell me who come in. Pebbles, when I tell the lie, look how long you are, but you can't come.
No, you don't do me that, don't do me that. You know, the first layer out for come off, it's tough.
Who that?
How do you want who that? Did I say a wind gym or who that?
Yeah, just a reach.
Yes, I mean, up by the wind gym, and if you want to flow come monkey, yeah. From the Anglez interview, I just be autograph me and sign. Yeah, tell the people on stages for coming and play. Yo, people, I turn a big actress, you know. I have a lot of fashion thing, you know. I have my own clothing line and a swimwear and a bleach wear, you know. Yo, Bobbette, come show them some of my thing. Yeah, look there. What do you mean? Yeah. Great. I'm sorry.
Don't start time for my rubber and my cream, no. I can't find it.
Which
I'm
cream
going to start one out and have it.
So we are trying.
I want now to have my cream, I can't find it at time now. And that time every morning, my rubber and my cream, I put on my cream, and I can't find it.
Where she is there, right? Stop your knife. We have my own firm, you know. I'm going to deal with them something.
I want to have the cream. I want to have the cream. And I'm glad everybody needs to have my cream.
Are you sure that Wingy?
Wingy,
Are you sure? Right, Felix.
I want to have the cream.
Yeah, international.
When you throw our falls, did you take out Bobbette?
No, but I'm not too far. Who should I talk? I'm here to my girl.
Yeah, we need to out.
I want to bleach you, you say again. Hey, girl. See, I'm bleaching you, girl. Hold this.
You know, the first time the girl I took up a regular thing you do it.
Yeah.
I also know which one.
Because they are clothing like that.
Madonna saw you did that.
Box iron and
Argument.
Thanks for watching Keeping Up with the Bleachers.
Yeah, with me, you look good, and
Bobbette the chemist.
Tea good, Noogle.
Ati, Wenji, eh? I was
Banana man.
bleaching.
Winjo banana man.
Enjoy that, man.
The boss of the phone.
What's that? Stay good, Papa.